Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Chhavi Mittal. I will take your first paper, plant physiology. On the previous turn, we have discussed the structure of water. We have discussed the structure of water. And so we're moving towards next point. First of all, what is hydrogen bond? What is hydrogen bond? What is hydrogen bond? It is a weak electrostatic chemical bond formed between covalently bonded hydrogen atom and a strongly electronegative atom with a lone pair of electrons. Such as nitrogen or oxygen, and it is represented by dotted line. It is represented by dotted line. The hydrogen bond which is present in the water, it provides water with a unique physical properties. The energy of hydrogen bond is less than ionic or covalent bond. The energy of hydrogen bond is less than ionic or covalent bonds, but higher than van der Waals forces. Higher than van der Waals forces, and it varies from 8 to 42 kilojoule per moles of bond. It is in plants. Hydrogen bond is formed between water and other substances. in plants, hydrogen bond is formed between water and other substances, especially those which contain electronegative oxygen or nitrogen atom with lone pair of electrons. The hydrogen bonds are of tremendous biological importance, especially NH and bond. That enable complex protein and nucleic acid to be built up. This bond is very important because it helps complex protein and nucleic acid to be built up. Now we will discuss few parameters. What is the refractive index of water? What is the refractive index of water? It is approximately 1.33. What is the dipole moment of water in water? It is 1.85 D. What is the molecular structure of water? What is the molecular structure of water? It is bent. It is bent. What is the crystal structure of water? What is the crystal structure? It is hexagonal. It is hexagonal. So, on the next term, we will discuss the physical property of water. Thank you.